This is the Serenity Deck, which is the adults only area on the Carnival Panorama. There's lots of comfy seating around here. Every chair has a cushion on it, and most of the seating is right on the edge looking out over the ocean. Lots of cute little covered seats here. Those are super comfortable. They do have a couple of covered cabana type areas. Something that's interesting that I haven't seen on any of the older ships, but I have seen on the newer ships, are these beds. They're super cool and nice to take naps in, obviously. Something that is interesting about this Serenity area is that there are hot tubs, but no pool. Over in this middle area is the build your own salad bar. This is pretty awesome. You can make super awesome big salads, whatever you want basically on it. 2 different types of lettuce, all of the toppings, and they come in these big bowls. This is only in the Serenity adults only area. There isn't one located anywhere else on the ship. Thanks for joining me on this tour of the Serenity Deck on the Carnival Panorama, and we hope to see you next time.